Hello, everybody. My name is Meyer Sikes. I'm the owner of Drone Scan Pro, and today we're going to go over why quality matters so much in the roofing industry. This is a photo that was taken in Tyler, Texas, not that long ago, and the drone that was used here was a DJI Air 3. And for note, that only has a half-inch CMOS sensor, and we're going to get into why that is so important. So we have all this damage here, but let's go ahead and zoom in and look at what we actually have. Man, I see a hail hit here, but I don't see how much granule loss or the depth of this impact. Another important note here is to say that 99% of drone companies, this is the standard that they provide all of their clients. Now let's show you how we can do way much better. And now we have a photo that was taken in Dallas, Texas, also not that long ago. And the biggest difference here is this was taken by DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise. For those noting, that is a 4/3 Hasselblad sensor, which is significantly better than the DJI Air 3 half-inch CMOS sensor. And we're going to go ahead and show you guys why. As we zoom in here, we can see, wow, I can start to count the granules. Holy cow, I could not see this with the last photo set. This is why quality is so important, because this is actionable insight that you're able to achieve through a drone. And another fact here, this is actually one of the highest quality photos you can get. And actually, the DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise has a better camera than your iPhone 16, meaning that this photo is a higher quality than you getting up on the roof and taking a picture with it with your iPhone. So another really important thing to note here, that this photo is our standard at DroneScan Pro. We only use drones that have a 4/3 Hasselblad sensor. And I'm sure you're asking, why don't I just do this myself with my own drone? Well, it takes a significant amount of training and time to learn how to do these sets of photos. And what's great is we have 1,500 plus pilots that are trained to do this. So hopefully I was able to show you guys a couple new things today and show you just how better DroneScan Pro is than a lot of the other drone companies.